Did you know that a whopping 85% of the US has hard water? That's right, it looks something like this with those dark blue areas, meaning you have extremely hard water. Now, what does that mean? For me, it means I need a detox for my hair every month so my hair and scalp gets rid of all of those minerals and metals that are building up, that are in our water, and then, guess what, are on your hair. So when I learned this, I did a little research and I heard people saying that the Color Wow Dream Filter is like a detox for your hair. So I tried it, and let me tell you, I am now obsessed with it. I was so blown away by this because the first time I used it, this is what I squeezed out of my hair. That is what is on your hair. People also spoke that their color got brighter, so I took a before. Here's the before. And this is after. So a little bit brighter, but overall, just I had more body in my hair. It felt more clean and manageable than it did before I used the product. So this is your sign that you need a detox. Let me know how you like it.